So you need to understand when you're talking about a specific machine and not the entire line or the entire facility, because once again, if you're just getting that number, you might be inclined to say we need to improve the performance of that specific machine, we need to improve the availability. But the reality is, like I said in the example that I've mentioned, it's actually the quality, and that machine is designed to remove bad product. And it's not necessarily that it is creating the bad product, it is simply mitigating the downstream effect of potential bad parts. So I mentioned this a couple of times already, but the next question that often comes up in my conversations is how can we collect OEE? How do we get these metrics from the plant floor? Usually, and we've talked about this in a different video, you will try and get that data at the PLC and HMI layer where ultimately the raw numbers live. And a lot of times this is going to be done differently in different facilities. Some of them will elect to create specific sensor systems that will allow you to capture, let's say, the number of products produced at every stage of the process. Some of them will utilize the tags available already on the PLC side. Those could be your cycles. Those again could be the photo eyes at the exit, at the entrance, in order to understand the states. And then you're also going to tie in some of the quality and availability data. So availability a lot of times is going to be within the PLC. It's going to be your fault codes. It's going to be your state. Because like I said, the machine does not physically know whether product is going through it. It is just executing cycles. So sometimes you need to capture and synthesize both of those pieces in order to know that product is going through, cycles are going through, and the machine is putting out quality parts. And the last one, once again, so quality systems, there's going to be a lot on vision systems based, there's going to be sensors. So you should be able to tie in some of those counters from the PLC into your software on the MES layers. And when it comes to actual software, there's a lot of different options, but you can start with something very simple right off the shelf. You can get this kind of data into an HMI system. It doesn't even need to be an MES. As long as you perform the calculations, you should be able to get your OE for a specific time period